You can basically just type one word into this box, click Save, and then click Make, and you'll be paid between $35 and $40. You can do it over and over again and make money every day from anywhere in the world. But you must set this up correctly, which I will demonstrate in this video. This website's registration is completely free. You don't need to invest any money, and you don't need to be a writer. If you don't want to type it yourself, you can simply copy and paste that one word. But first, welcome to Money Intelligence, where we show you how to make money online in the simplest way possible. Please subscribe to this channel so that you don't miss out on future videos. Don't forget to click on the notification bell so that anytime we release a new video on how to make money online, you will be the first to know and you will be able to start making things happen right away. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoy it. Please don't be shy about leaving a comment down below if you have any concerns, questions, or thoughts regarding the video. Let's get back to the video now, shall we now? This is the primary platform that we will be utilizing. This is the first website where you will go to make simple videos with just one word. So you can type in one word and this website will generate professional, high-quality videos for you. And I'm going to show you how you can get paid $35 to $40 per video you make. It says here that this is the simplest way to make awesome videos. Don't worry, you don't have to be a professional editor, you don't need any editing skills, you don't need a camera, and you won't have to film anything. And you won't have to show your face. All you have to do is type in one word, which you can repeat as many times as you want. And I'll show you how it all works and how to get paid. Choose your favorite video template, fully customize it online, and watch as they instantly generate your video. So you don't have to wait, which means you can start earning money right away. It doesn't get any simpler than this. It's only one word, and you could say it again and again. This is now available at motionden.com. Follow each step of this video, and you will know exactly what to do and how to make money by the end. So first and foremost, on the home page, I want you to click on the Get Started button right here so you can sign up. You can do so by connecting your Facebook or Google account, which is much easier and faster because it only requires one click of a button. If you don't want to do that, you can simply sign up with your email address and manually enter your information. I also recommend unchecking this box if you don't want to be added to their email list, which can be tedious at times. So I don't often subscribe to those newsletters, even though you can easily sign up in less than 60 seconds. When you sign up for MotionDen, you'll be able to browse all of these different video templates that you can use to create professional-looking videos in less than 60 seconds. And all with the simple act of typing a single word. So as you can see on the left, you can generate all of these different types of videos in all of the different categories. You can make animated ads, videos for businesses, e-commerce videos, Facebook videos, food and restaurant videos, gaming, infographics, videos for Instagram and YouTube, intros and outros, and so on. And you have a plethora of templates to choose from, all of which are extremely professional. They are high-quality 3D templates that you can easily use, and I will show you how. Now there is one specific service that we will be focusing on that will allow you to earn $35 to $40 for typing a single word. So what I want you to do is concentrate on either intros or outros. Forget about all of these different classifications. For the time being, you should concentrate solely on intros and outros because they are the simplest and will allow you to earn $40 or more for a single word. So let's look at some intro templates, and it will provide you with some of them that you can use. Let's look around and see what we can find that's really interesting. I'll use this template, for example, to demonstrate how this works. So I'll click on it, and then I'll just need to click on Edit this video to customize it. When you get to this page, all I have to do is click on this box and type in that one word, and I'll show you what happens after I type that one word. In this case, let's say the word is finance. Click the Save button, then the Make Video button. That's all there is to it. It will now instantly generate that video for me, and I'll show you how to sell those types of videos for $35 to $40 over and over. I'll also show you proof that it works because people are already making money with this exact strategy every single day. So if you go back to the dashboard, you'll see that the video is now rendering. I just need to wait a few seconds and they'll have it ready for me. As you can see, it only took one word to type in the box. And now I have a fully developed high-quality intro from which I can profit. So let's go through the same motions once more. Let's try a different template. You can go to Templates and select either Intros or Outros. Let's get started with introductions. To begin, find a template that you like, such as this one right here, and open it by clicking Edit this video. This will take you to the editing page. You can even include a logo if you want. If not, simply go to the text page, click on the text box, type in a word, click Save, and then click Make Video. That's all there is to it. And now you can earn money from a new platform, which I'm about to reveal to you. If you like this video, please share it with your friends. Don't forget to hit the like button, and if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel. Now let's return to the video. So first and foremost, you can begin using Quicken Gigs. This is a platform similar to Fiverr.com. This website is a freelancing website where millions of ordinary people come every day to sell their services. You have regular people like me and you providing various services for other entrepreneurs and business owners, and you can see that they've partnered with some major companies like PayPal, Microsoft, Google Discord, Facebook, and Unity. This is just one of many different freelancing websites available to you. But the reason I'm sharing Quicken Gigs instead of Fiverr is that it's less competitive. Hundreds of thousands of people perform the same services on Fiverr. However, there aren't many people here who provide those services, and the demand is high. There are a lot of buyers here, but there aren't as many sellers, which means it's ideal for complete beginners. You can join this website right away and potentially make a lot of sales without being an established seller. If you search for intros and outros on this website, you will notice that people offer these services. There aren't many people offering this service, but those who do offer intros and outros are already making money. As you can see, someone who does cool 3D YouTube intros for $30 made more than 5 sales. He has 5 feedbacks, and not everyone will leave one. So he's probably made more than 5 sales at $30. And for you, it will only take a single word to type in with MotionDen and sell on Quicken Gigs. Again, this is a centralized platform where you can offer this service as well as sell intros and outros. You can also use websites such as People Per Hour in here. If you type intro, you will see more people offering this service. There are a total of 191 results, and they're all doing well. They're all making hundreds, if not thousands of dollars per sale. For example, this person received over 1,000 feedbacks, implying that they sold over 1,000 copies of this introduction service. If you want to maximize your results, you can even use Fiverr. Publishing that gig will cost you nothing. And if you get some sales, that's fantastic. It's fine if you don't. You can continue to use other freelance websites. Fiverr has a huge potential. You can see that people are selling those types of services for higher prices, such as $35 and $45. They have even higher packages, and they are selling hundreds, if not thousands of sales. So it has a lot of potential, but the competition on Fiverr is intense. So instead of focusing solely on one freelancing website, I strongly advise you to try them all. When you get a sale, you ask what they want an intro with, type it in this box, click Save, make a video, and then click Continue to Dashboard. You wait until it generates the video, after which you can download it to your computer. To get it without the watermark, you'd have to pay $9 per video. However, if you sell it for between $35 and $40, you will still make a lot of money. You also don't have to put any money up front. You can wait until you make a sale on one of those freelancing websites, then use that money to pay $9 to MotionDen. So for $9, you get a video done in less than 60 seconds that will earn you more than $30, and you can do it again and again. And once you start making more and more sales and see that you're already making a decent amount of monthly income, you can just invest $29 a month for this unlimited plan, which will allow you to sell an unlimited number of videos. So you could sell 100 videos a month and only pay $29 on MotionDen to do all of the hard work for you. So you can definitely use MotionDen and its templates to create professional videos by simply typing one word into the box and then offering that service on other freelancing websites like Freelancer, Truelancer, Fiverr, Guru, People Per Hour, Quicken Gigs, and so on. That's all there is to it. Before we go, subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell, hit the like button, and I'll see you in the next video.